Welcome to Modern Homes. Today we are diving into a unique decor challenge, England versus Greece. We will explore how to blend English elegance with Greek charm, create a stunning home interior that combines the best of both worlds. Let's get started. Let's begin with the classic English decor style. Known for its timeless elegance, English interior often feature rich textures, cozy fabrics, and vintage furniture. Imagine floral pattern, antique wooden furniture, and luxurious upholstery that create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Think of colors like deep greens, burgundy, muted pastels. Now let's take a trip to the Mediterranean with Greek-inspired decor. Greek interiors are all about simplicity, light, and a connection to nature. Think crisp white walls, blue accents, and nature materials like stone and wood. Greek decor embraces open spaces, minimalism, and an airy feel that reflects the beauty of the Greek islands. Now let's combine the best of both styles for a unique home decor fusion. Start by using a natural color palette as your base, like soft white or beige inspired by Greek interiors. A touch of English elegance with floral cushions, patterned rugs, a vintage armchair. This will bring warmth and a touch of addition to your space. To successfully mix these two styles, focus on balancing texture and pattern. English floral fabrics with Greek natural texture like linen and stone. For example, you can place a patterned English rug in a room with Greek-style white furniture. Contrast between the intricate pattern and the minimalism background creates a harmonious blend. Decorate with accents that celebrates both culture. Add English style lamp and picture frames alongside Greek poetry and wall art. You can also mix English floral vase with Greek olive branches for a truly international centerpiece. This is where your creativity can shine, blending history with modern touch. Don't forget your outdoor spaces. Combine the cozy charm of an English garden with the simplicity of Greek patio. Use potted plants, iron furniture, and plenty of greenery. Add a touch of blue and white with outdoor cushion to capture that Mediterranean feel. And there you have it, a perfect mix of English elegance and Greek simplicity to transform your home into a cozy yet stylish retreat. Which style do you prefer? Classic English charm or breezy Greek vibes? Let us know in the comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more decor inspiration from Modern Home. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.